Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to walk you through adding solution to your Mova P10 Pro Ultra. If you're interested in the P10 or you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. First things first, we have to remove this cover. So just grab it and pull it towards you. So just out and towards you. That's going to reveal our solution tank on the left-hand side. And we have a handle there with an arrow that you can just grab to pull it straight out to remove. With the tank removed, you'll notice at the top we have our water droplet icon there. We can open up the lid and now we can pour and add our solution directly into the tank. Here's the included multi-surface floor cleaner that comes right out of the box with our P10. It's 6.8 fluid ounces, 200 milliliters. So we can open that up, pull off this tab, and then just dump it right in. And we definitely have room for another one of those in there as well. But you add your solution, you can fill it all the way up to the top. Then you'll just take this, press it right back in, and then take your lid. It's really only gonna go one way, so make sure you have the sides properly aligned like you see right here. This side's gonna be for the solution, the rectangle for the dust bag, and gently press it right back in place. That's it.